So this is just a quick review of the Coast D370 DX375. It's got a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. I love warranties. Let's take it out real quick. It is like a wood type handle. Has this nice clip. It's actually kind of big, but not like annoying big. It's just nice. It's kind of big for the palm of my hand, but cool. There's no automatic release. You just push it out with your hand and it locks in place. That's the first position. And it has a double lock feature, which is this right here. And what that does is it stops you from actually pushing this in, which is the way you usually put your knife away, so you can't put it in. So that's the one lock right here, and then this is your second lock right there, where you move your finger in, just don't hurt yourself, and you just put it back inside. Pretty good knife. I like it so far. The handle feels really good. It's a really good grip. You can see it sticks out of my hand a little bit. It almost feels like the handle itself is bigger than the knife, which it is a little bit. But the knife is actually a good length too. It's not really bad. They say it's like supposedly not supposed to be too much bigger than that, and it is a little bit bigger, but it's a good knife overall. Just for reference, here's your standard mouse. The other features of the knife are the thumb hole here, which are basically the way you open it with one hand if you need to. According to Coast, it also reduces the overall weight of the knife. The blade itself is about 3.5 inches long, and the knife weighs about 5.3 ounces, according to the website. And this right here would be a tension screw, which looks like it's an Allen. I don't see it in the box, doesn't seem to be included, but it's supposed to be the adjuster so you can control how easy it slides. Right now it's alright, it's pretty good. A little loose, you could open it with one hand, flick it out, but if you don't really like that feature, you could definitely tighten that with a little Allen head. I don't know what size that would be. And that's a little loose actually. Might want to tighten it up. And it is a stainless steel blade with a wood handle.